From CBS 4, this is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackHelp.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackHelp.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier. Now here's the host of Haystack TV, Chris Kane.
Most adults dread the dentist, mainly because of bad experiences as a child. At Colorado Kids Pediatric Dentistry, they speak a kid's language. All children deserve a little extra TLC, and the staff makes sure they get it. Taking the kids to the dentist is now fun. Colorado Kids Pediatric Dentistry are members of the American Board of Pediatric Dentistry. They've been named top dentists by 5280 magazine, and they are accredited with the BBB and have an A+ rating. Dr. Lisa Fox from Colorado Kids Pediatric Dentistry joins us today. Thanks for being here.
Hi, thanks for inviting me, Chris.
So I take my kids to a pediatric dentist. Why should everyone do that for their kids over just a general dentist?
Pediatric dentists have 2 to 3 years of additional training after dental school, specializing in children. We take our children to a pediatrician for their medical care, and we take our children to a pediatric dentist for their dental care.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Now, what makes you uniquely qualified?
Well, first, I'm a mother of 4 children.
Okay, well, that says it all, really.
Got a lot of education that way. And actually, my bachelor's degree is in nursing. I was a pediatric ICU nurse before I became a dentist. Children are my passion, and I think we can really affect future generations by treating children and making them have a more healthy lifestyle.
And that's a great point, because if they have good experiences as children, they'll have good experiences as adults, and they won't be afraid, because there's so many adults that just don't go to the dentist. So it starts with you. So
and when they're very small, when they're very small. And you know, a fear of the dentist have caused many adults to just avoid it. And we know that good oral health care affects your whole systemic health.
No, so, absolutely. Yeah. Talk about what's special then about Colorado Kids Pediatric Dentistry.
It's a wonderful place. It's a wonderful place for families. You know, we have all the latest technology. We have lasers, we have digital x-rays, we have movies on the ceilings, we have incredible saltwater aquariums. But that's not what it's all about. It's all about the people. It's about the families that we treat, and it's about this amazing team that we have with lots and lots of experience. These are not just people who love children. These are people who love children and have a lot of experience and do a really great job.
All right, well, let's actually listen to a testimonial from one of your patients.
Okay.
The kids love it. They come in and they see that there's movies and games, and everybody's smiling. It's not your typical sterile environment. It's fun. They actually enjoy coming. I don't know if you can ever say you fully 100% are looking forward to going to the dentist, but they don't. They're not afraid of going to the dentist. They know that it's a good thing for them, and it's always been a real positive experience.
You know, again, the same thing that we were just saying, it's a positive experience for the kids. Let's talk about cavities. Is that still a big problem in kids?
You know, shockingly, in the most developed country in the world, in the United States, dental decay is increasing in the small children population. Every other demographic, it's decreasing. I don't think people know this. You know, it's not surprising, though. More children miss school from pain from dental problems than they do miss school for asthma, for instance.
Really?
It's a completely preventable disease, and it's unacceptable that our small children are getting more and more cavities. But it's not surprising. We have a huge, we all know we have an obesity problem with this generation of children.
Right.
We have a problem with type 2 diabetes with this children. All of that is the same kind of lifestyle that causes cavities.
All right, yeah, that's a good point. Obesity is tied directly to cavities.
Absolutely.
You got to make sure your kids are taking care of their teeth. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks
I'm going to tell our viewers
me.
how they can get a hold of you and take
Great.
advantage of a special offer on the Sonicare toothbrush, which they're great, by the way.
Yeah.
All right, thanks so much.
Thanks.
Colorado Kids Pediatric Dentistry keeps kids smiling. Call them to make going to the dentist fun for you and your kids. Their number is 303-791-4400 or visit their website, CKPD.com. The first 10 new clients to mention Haystack when they show up for their appointment will receive a free Kids Sonicare toothbrush. They don't accept Medicaid or CHIP. The number again is 303-791-4400.